46. We're talking about similar figures, and I want to anchor the conversation on similar figures into what you've already experienced when you've talked about shadows and light being casting a shadow of an object onto a wall or onto the floor or the ground. You have volunteered to help at the children's booth at an art festival. The children that visit the booth will create objects like animals or people out of poster board and craft sticks. Then they will use a flashlight to create shadow puppets, and your job is to show the children how to use a flashlight and a wall to make their own puppet show. Okay, so got that image in your mind right there on the screen, but also envision yourself doing this action. Now let's answer some questions. How does the size of the shadow puppet compare to the size of the object made out of poster board and craft sticks? Well, this is the pre-image, and then this is the image. So we can use words like that in the problem. The pre-image will be smaller than the shadow, which is the image. And I want to use a word now too. I know what I just said, but I'm going to influence or insert another word. Proportionally smaller. Proportion. There we go. I got an R slipped right there after the O. Proportionally small as compared to the image itself. The reason is when we talk about proportions, we're talking about how much like the full attributes of the shape grow and change. How does the shape of the shadow puppet compare to the shape of the object made out of poster board and craft sticks? Well, it's the reverse. The shape of the shadow is going to be, the shape of the shadow puppet compared to the shape of the object. They're the same shape. That's the key thing. So we're talking size, we're talking shape. Same shape though, just bigger. Do you think that the shadow is a transformation of the object? And absolutely it is. The vocabulary word is dilation. The shadow image is a dilation of the pre-image. Thanks for watching this video. That's the getting started. Everything we want to talk about with similar figures is just that idea of, could you have created the image by, shining a light on the pre-image and seeing if the shadow of the pre-image matches the image that you're talking about now. Similar figures, they are bigger or smaller in size, but they have the same shape. See you on page 447.